What's up, everybody? It's that boy Bird Aka, you know what I'm saying? The boy wonder, you know.
So, what record label are you on?
I'm on number one entertainment right now, you know what I'm saying? Trying to get signed with somebody. I got a few people looking at me, you know, like Red Shop Records, Stampede Records, Children's Entertainment, you know, just a few people trying to do something.
So, how long have you been with No More Entertainment?
I've been with it since about 9'6" and 9'7". I've been rapping since about 9'3".
So, how many people are on No More Entertainment?
We got over 20 artists, you know what I'm saying? God, though, you know what I'm saying? From Lady Thunder to C-Notes, the whole camp.
So how many CDs do you have out?
I got one CD out now and one compilation out. I got another compilation for the drop and another solo CD for the drop.
What's the name of your first CD?
Thow, I am, you know what I'm saying?
What is that CD about?
Oh, you know what I'm saying? I named it I Am because, you know what I'm saying? I was trying to, trying to get my name out there, let somebody know who I am, you know what I'm saying?
So, where's your studio located at?
Palestine, Texas. When I'm bossed about that ball, then go just start. I'm bossed about that ball, you need.
Oh, so, where can I locate your CD at? Where can I buy it at?
You know what I'm saying? If you can't get that up there, AJ's a horse shop or Camelot or anything like that, you know what I'm saying? You might need to come on to the North Edition out to the Westbrook, you know what I'm saying? Holler at RT or that boy Bird Aka over there on 207 Low Street, get you a copy of it.
So, have you won any freestyle contests before?
I want to play, you know what I'm saying? I had to break that whole last night from $100, you know what I'm saying? Last freestyle contest I won though was at the Children's Entertainment at the California, you know what I'm saying? Back in 2000. That was the last official freestyle tournament where you know where nigga rap with some braids, you know what I'm saying?
Do you think you'll be entering anymore?
Yeah, whenever I get a chance, whenever I see a battle, you know I'm ready. You know, that's always money or no money. That's for real.
So, do you have any things you would like to say to the fans out there?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I want everybody to keep supporting me, everybody who like my music, keep buying it, you know what I'm saying? Keep birds afloat, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to stay afloat, you got a hold of my boat, you know, that's for real. Boy, you know what I'm saying? Stay low, you know, do the whole nine, from the new to the side, then from the side to the old time, from old time to the old Jesse to the west side, the whole, everybody out here, you know what I'm saying? From the apartments to the playground, to these.
So how much can we cop a CD for?
Oh, $10 a copy, you know what I'm saying? If you need some music, just holler at Bird, you know what I'm saying? The whole jam is real. It's a collector's classic, you know what I'm saying?
So on your CDs, are they just screwed or free, regular, or just a combination of both?
It's a combination of both, you know what I'm saying? Just trying to do something a little different, you know what I'm saying? Got some regular pen and pad, acting bad songs. Got some freestyles, mean mugs, no smile songs, you know what I'm saying? Got some screw version of songs, some screw version of freestyles, you know what I'm saying? Then just got some plain out screw freestyles, you know what I'm saying? Breaking that bit, you know what I'm saying? You might need herb muscle when you listen to that because it's gonna hurt.
Okay, so you know how other freestyle people have, like, you know how they have a screw song on there, then a song that's screwed?
Yeah.
Like other people's songs, do y'all have that on y'all CDs, or it's just y'all?
It's just us, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to knock nobody or nothing like that, but you know what I'm saying? It ain't my job to promote somebody else. I'm just trying to promote myself, you know what I'm saying? Get myself out there. Let Palestine be known to the world, for real.
So where's Palestine located at?
East Texas, you know what I'm saying? What I'm boy about that about a good 40 minutes away from the town, you know what I'm saying? We're about an hour away from everybody. We're in the center of everything, you know what I'm saying? We the heartbeat of Texas, partner.
So, have y'all had any concerts in East Texas before?
Yeah, we had a few people come down here. Zero came down here a few times. Flip came down here. Swisser Highs came down here. I remember back in the day, y'all might not remember this, right now on Joe Cooley came down here. You know what I'm saying?
Will No More be having any concerts in Palestine?
Yeah, that's why I wanted to get to that. We're trying to get to now, you know what I'm saying? We're going to be having a concert, you know, we're trying to get it out in order at the City Center, you know what I'm saying? We're having a freestyle contest, about 150, 200 to first prize, you know what I'm saying? 50 to second, you know.
So is it just going to be No More or other people?
Anybody want to get in, partner, you know what I'm saying?
So how much are you charging for another company to come in?
For another company to come in? What do you mean? For somebody else to come in and rap or something?
Yeah.
On stage?
No. I'm talking about people that do the concert with y'all. How much are y'all trying to charge for them?
Well, I really don't know what you mean, but you know what I'm saying? We ain't charging nothing, you know, we throwing it ourselves, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be $5 to get in, something like that, you know. That's about it, you know what I'm saying? I can't say I'm getting half the dough because I'm getting all the dough. You know what I'm saying? It's my concept, partner. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna try to do something, get some people down here, you know what I'm saying? Get Zero on them down here or something. Get my partners out there Beltway 8 down here, you know what I'm saying? Try to do something.
So, is anybody else from No More working on the CD?
Yeah, that boy C-No got a CD from the drop. Yeah, I ain't about Little Man CD, it's already out. Lady Thunder CD from the drop.
How many songs do you think will be on these CDs?
I'm thinking everybody dropping 20 or more. We got a lot to say, you know what I'm saying? We gotta express ourselves. For real, got a lot on our mind.
Do y'all have any pictures on the CDs, words written inside?
Yeah, we got labels, everything. I'm giving thanks to everybody, you know what I'm saying? Supporting me and everything. I got the whole nine, you know what I'm saying? This ain't no bootleg and nothing, little mama, you know?
You have all legal record
Everything's copyrighted and patented, baby. No more entertainment. For real. No more of that bullshit.
And what do No More stand for? That's what it stands for?
No more of that bullshit.
So, who is the producer of y'all?
RT Lenny Mo, you know what I'm saying? The arts and crafter.
Do he freestyle or he's just the DJ?
Oh, he's a little bit of everything. Everybody in the No More camp is multi-talented, baby. You know, for real.
Do you think you'll ever retire or anything?
I don't say how you can't retire music, you know what I'm saying? When I die, put me in my casket and drop a microphone on my chest and leave it at that.
But thank you, Dirty Bird, and
Anytime.
I appreciate this.
You
And
know, DC, I remember that when the boys, you know what I'm saying, doing their thing. Gorillas, hustlers, ballers, and killers. With our mindset on bigger things. Hogging lanes and leading stains. Migraines and chest pains, don't look for flame. Explain the game, but real range, hogging lane, and let them know that you can pass the thing.
thank you, Dirty Bird.
Mm.